In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send a trade request on Roblox. Let's get started. First, launch your Roblox app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Before you can send a trade request, here's what you need. A Roblox Premium membership, at least one limited or limited U item in your inventory. The person you are trading with must also have Premium, trading enabled, and unlimited items available for trade. Now click on three bars given at the top left. Different options will appear. Click on the option Trade. Here you will see different sections like inbound, outbound, and completed trades. If you already have inbound requests, they will appear here. Follow the on-screen instructions to review or respond to them. You can also browse items through Roblox catalog or trading communities. Once you find an item you are interested in, simply open it and look for the option to send trade. Click Send Trade at the top, then select the items you want to offer from your inventory and the items you want from theirs. Review the trade carefully, then click Confirm. Remember, you must have Roblox Premium for this feature to work, and that's it. That's how you send a trade request on Roblox. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.